Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everyone is doing great. So welcome to the channel. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. So later on, we have like unemployment change. So I will show you at the end of this video what do we actually have later on. So without wasting any time, we can easily see that on GBPJPY, the market is still flying. The market is still flying. The market is still actually on an upside direction, or we are actually on a very nice uptrend. We can easily see that yes, the market is been actually pushing to the upside for quite some time. And where we are, or where the market is currently, the market was very, very close to breaking out. And guess what? Now, a few hours ago, the market just broke out. Unfortunately, I did not see, obviously it happened a bit earlier. We see that the market is pushing to the upside. Yes, when the market creates something like this, there is enough room for the market to come back and bounce back and keep pushing to the upside. And keep pushing to the upside. I hope you can see that. So I think this my battery is dying, so I will just make sure that we do this very quick. It's very cold, so this battery they get colder. So yeah, I see a very nice continuation of a bullish momentum, but with this type of aggressive push, with sorry, I will just use this one here. With actually this aggressive push to the upside, we can easily see that yes, the market can actually recover very easily, or maybe give us a very nice retest. So let's try to go a little bit back. Sure, and I am not used to this touchpad, but anyways, we're not going to stop working because of this. So yeah, I am still expecting a very nice push, so I think we will just wait for a reversal as that we see that the market just broke out of this resistance. So that actually shows us that I'm continue pushing to the upside. So we'll just wait for a nice retest. When it pushes back, then maybe we will take something. Maybe later on, we will see what will happen. So let's push to the next one. If you are new to this channel and if you like this type of content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening on gold? Yes, the market was pushing very nice yesterday, and we did make something later on. Actually, yes, around 2:30 when we had some news. So if we go back here, you can easily see that we are actually on a very nice uptrend. You can see that the market has been pushing to the upside, and where we are now, we can easily see that the market is trying to run away from this support area. So now we can go there and try to see what's really happening. We can actually go there and see what's really happening. Yeah, I think it's gonna be tough without. Let me just try this thing. I'll have to go buy something. Okay, so the battery is back for a few seconds. So yeah, I'm expecting a very nice bullish momentum, but we can easily see that where we are now, we have a sort of a resistance. Let me zoom that again. So we have a sort of a resistance around this area. And that is actually a zone. But when we check, we also have a diagonal resistance, which was actually broken. So for now, we're just waiting for the horizontal one to be to get broken. Then we can say we are ready to fly. You see, we will say that once we see the market pushing up. But I like the fact that the market is playing around that zone, which means yes, we might see the market pushing up. You can see I also have a notification there. Then when the market reaches that area, we will be ready to actually jump on gold. But anyways, yes, we did make something yesterday, which was great, it was very, very great. Also on NASDAQ, hey, we smashed the NASDAQ very nice yesterday. We smashed the NASDAQ very, very nice. So, what's really happening on US30? What's really happening on US30? I think it's quite straightforward. We can easily see that the market was actually on a very nice downtrend. We had a breakout. Now the market is just consolidating. There is a room that this might be a fake breakout, not a fake breakout. This might be an adjustment, and the market might still continue pushing to the lower side. That is quite possible. But anyways, we're just waiting for a breakout. The market has to break out around this resistance or this support, then we will see what we can do. For now, let's just wait for the market to do its thing. There is nothing we can do. I see that the market is trying to push lower, but if you understand, if you don't just want to trade for just the sake of trading, you will easily see that the market has been struggling to give us some very nice moves. Very nice moves. You can see this is a sort of a consolidation. Yes, we have one candlestick which tries to push the upside, but along the way here, you can easily see that the market was just playing games. You see, yes, maybe you can scalp it when it pushes lower, but what if it just plays around? So your scalping, whatever, it's not gonna work that much. You see, so the best way, let's learn to wait for the market to give us something before we jump on that. You see, sometimes we lose just because we don't know when it's time for us to wait. Let's learn to wait, guys. Yeah, this, it's dying again. This bid 3, yeah, you see it's dead. Yeah, it's fine. So let's push to the next one. Which is going to be the one and only NASDAQ. Yeah, we smashed the NASDAQ yesterday, which is very, very great, guys. If you want to be part of the team, lifetime VIP signal, I think you will see that on the screen. I will show you on the screen, so it's fine. So what's really happening actually on NASDAQ on a 4 hours time frame? You can easily see that. Let me try to zoom this. Yeah, today we are on a manual. There's no automatic, so the manual is a bit slower. So yeah, so what's really happening is, yes, we are able to see that the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. So I like what I see actually. But where we are now, it seems like the market is giving us something, and exactly towards our take profit, the market is trying to push lower, but we will go there and see what's really happening. Let's go closer there and see what's really happening. What's really happening? We did smash this one, so we're not going to jump on anything, especially on Friday. Fridays, mostly the market tries to correct itself. We might see a very crazy sell-off. So yeah, you can see we smashed this one. That's why we say if you want to be part of the team, and if you want mentorship, it's 149, guys. If you want to learn from me, it's 149. If you want to do all this analysis by yourself and able to take trades very quick, you can just let me know. On my description, you will find my WhatsApp. Then you can just click that and it will take you straight to my contacts or to my WhatsApp. So what's really happening here is the market on today's what? It's Friday. On Thursday, actually, the market did break out here. And if you still remember, we took a loss, then the market pushed lower. But when we check, the market came around this support area, and the market respected that. So we had a very nice buy yesterday, and the market started to push the upside. So now we easily see that the market created something around this area. It seems to be something, and that is going to be a sort of a resistance. I'm expecting the market to maybe to reverse before we see another push. I'm not expecting much today. I'm not expecting much because next week we have some serious economic news, which I'm just going to show you in a few seconds. So yeah, let's go. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Let's check the news. What's really happening with the news? So on the news side today, we actually have Canada. We're gonna go on the live session. It's Canadian unemployment change. We will see how the market actually moves so that you can learn about fundamentals. On the other one, for US, we don't actually have anything. So we'll go and check what's really happening next week. I've been repeating about this so that you don't forget actually what we have next week. So you're not going to get surprised when you see the market not moving, because the market is expecting some high impact news. So on Tuesday, on Monday we don't actually have anything. On Tuesday we will start with CPI. It's the gauge for inflation. On my side here, it seems like they think, or they expect the numbers to go a little bit lower, which is gonna be great for the likes of NASDAQ and gold and the other ones. So we will see. So if maybe it goes lower like that, we will expect maybe FOMC not to increase the rates. So on Wednesday, the same Wednesday next week, we have FOMC around 8 o'clock. We will be on our live session. Here it seems like they predict that, okay, they forecast that they're not going to change. This is going to be interesting. I think they're going to increase. I'm just thinking that they're going to increase maybe for the last time. And if they increase, we're going to see some serious sell-off. NASDAQ, US30, gold, we're going to see some serious sell-off. But if they keep them like that, it's going to be very nice. It's going to be very nice. We're just going to just eat, because it's going to be obvious that they actually want the economy actually to do what? To recover. So on Thursday, we're going to have unemployment claims, which I've been preaching about it for quite some time, that this economic news actually comes like almost every day, every week, and it pushes the market very nice, you see. So on Friday, we don't actually have much. So yeah, for that, I think maybe for today we're done. So I will see you later on around 2:15, because it's Friday, and or let's say around 2. Plus we actually going to have, we have to check actually unemployment change for Canada. Just to see what it's going to happen actually. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.